New Balance continues its archival revival with the Made in USA 992 Dark Camo, a release that honors tradition while leaning into seasonal style. Built with a mix of pigged suede overlays and breathable mesh, the sneaker highlights the 992's layered construction, covering the tongue, midfoot, and lower panels for depth. Subtle reflective hits preserve its retro running heritage, while an olive-tone sole unit reinforces the camouflage theme. Priced at $200, the pair balances craftsmanship with lifestyle versatility. Once linked to Steve Jobs and later eclipsed by newer silhouettes, the 992 is regaining traction, especially with its 20th anniversary in 2026 approaching. Serving as both a modern staple and a nod to history, this edition contributes to New Balance's broader strategy of reintroducing iconic models. Expect the Dark Camo 992 to drop on NewBalance.com this fall, reaffirming the silhouette's timeless relevance.